Hey everybody, it's Monica from Pear Treasures. Happy Saturday morning, March the 30th, and welcome to the March Madness YouTube hop. This hop has 16 others, other than myself, amazing, awesome crafters, okay, and we all did a project. So it's going to be just a showing project, because for you guys to go through 17 crafters and to be eligible to win prizes, and you have to follow the rules, it would just be too much to do a tutorial. So here's the rules. So the rules for this are, and this is for every single channel you guys go to, you have to watch each video, you have to like each video, and you have to make a comment below this video and everybody else's video for their showing of their project, and you have to subscribe. Okay, so everybody's going to be checking to make sure that, just to make it fair, that everybody has done everything to make them eligible. So again, watch each video, like each video, and comment below and subscribe. Okay, you have until Saturday, April 6th, which is coming up, 2019, not 2020. I know it's a lot to watch, but you got time, okay? Until April 6th. And on April 6th, we will all be drawing our prizes. Now, I can't tell you for sure, but I'm very sure that almost everybody in the hop is giving away a prize. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to be giving you at the end of this video. But first, I would like to show you my project. Now, the theme was, because it's March, right? It was green and gold. So I went, now, it was either St. Patrick's Day or Mardi Gras. And I, myself, am Irish, and, you know, I don't need to celebrate St. Patrick's Day other than having a couple of Guinness. Just saying, you know. So I went with my other half of my heritage, and I went with a Mardi Gras theme. So I'm going to show you guys right now my project, okay? And as I walk through it, I will show you the few things that I did in making this project, okay? So first of all, as I said, I went with the Mardi Gras theme, okay? Isn't this awesome? I used the Rare Oddities papers by Graphic 45. I happen to have it in my stash, so I used those papers up for this project. I didn't use them all up. I just used them. You guys, make sure you guys come back next week, because I have an amazing project. Again, I have one with Graphic 45 with this project, okay? And I'm going to also have a kit for this project. And the side's going to open, and you're going to be able to put a mini album in it, okay? So that's just what I have coming up. It's very easy to put together. This I got from, oh my gosh, I'm going to forget, svgcuts.com. This here, okay? If you guys have a silhouette or a cricket, you're in. Just go over there and grab it. So what I used along with this, okay, Graphic 45 paper, and sorry, I'm using my phone, but it's pretty tall. Okay, so this project's pretty tall, and I couldn't get it all on my camera, so excuse my desk. I took everything off my pegboard so you guys could see it. Okay, I also used the Recollections glitter paper pad, all right, and whoo, isn't that bright? Wow, it's pretty cool. Whoa. Okay, so it's very sparkly. And I did all of this on my Cricut. Now I have both. I have the silhouette and the Cricut, but I'm just going to briefly go through this because we're going to do this in another project. So, and again, you have 16 other videos to watch if you want to win the prize. So all of this I did on my Cricut. And I went, again, with the Mardi Gras theme, of course. Mardi Gras. Yay. All right. This is the Recollections paper. And what I did, it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, no, I guess you can tell. Green is the branches, and gold. So I put gold rub. I can't find it, but it was basically the Art Alchemy, okay, the waxes, the rubbing wax, but it was the gold, and I don't know where I put it, sorry, but it was the gold. And I rubbed it on the leaves. So all of this I cut out with my Cricut, okay? All of this is paper. This here, okay, I made this, believe it or not, I'm a little neurotic. Let me see if I can get it to focus in. This was some fishing line, and I basically pulled it through a glue bottle and stuck that bead on, and then dipped the other end, okay, and just stuck a bead on there, right? So what else? This is all paper. All of this is sparkly paper. So there's a beautiful little mask, right? You got your Mardi Gras party mask. I did this guy, and he has bells on his head, right? And I also use, so some of these are nice, and I just burnished them a bit and bent them over. The leaves in the back. We got the mask. We got the beautiful peacock feathers. I tell you, even if you guys have a Cricut and you just go grab that and do these peacock feathers, they're super nice. The sign, Mardi Gras. And because I did it the way I did it, I have two. But Debbie's getting this. Debbie's getting this, and Debbie is getting this, because she called it Stamped at Dibsies when she saw it. So, Debbie, it'll be on the way, along with your other treat, okay? The leaves, I used purple wire and the gold wire, and this is the Weir memory keepers for their pegboard. So it's the wire that you can purchase that goes with the Happy Jig. That's it. Happy Jig. And the wire is really easy to work with. It's crazy awesome to work with. It's not like, sorry about the focus on the camera, folks. And I was gardening today. Excuse my dirt. I was scrubbing, and now my hands hurt from scrubbing too much. So I used the wire from the Happy Jig, and I basically poked holes, and I ran it through all these leaves. Isn't that pretty? I love the sparkle. So again, it's all stuck into the, it's like a star box. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it out here, and I'm going to show you all the way around. And this was a peacock feather that I just didn't add the eye to it in the middle. I just thought that would add to it. And I put some floral foam down inside of there. Right, so you can see that down in there. I know, oh, there it goes, it focused. Focus, there. And I just poked the wire. The curly Q wires, I just wrapped around a pencil, and then I pulled it out. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I will show you that in another project coming up. So, to waste no more time, I'm going to show you guys what you are going to win on the 6th. Okay? From me for following the rules. So you got to watch everybody's video, you got to like everybody's video, and comment on my video below, and subscribe. Be sure and subscribe, and you're going to win, I love this collection, a day at the park paper collection. And this one is the Tiny Prints collection pack. Okay, I'm going to just stand it up like this so you guys can see, get a better view of it. Okay, and these are all the papers included. If you go to Photoplay Papers website, you can see everything that is in this collection pack. Okay, there's a cut apart sheet, and each of these have 6x6 squares. And I'm sure it'd be awesome for you guys, for card makers. Oh my gosh, so awesome for that. Okay, and you get the polymer stamps that match the set. I love this. You guys have no idea. I have my own, but I am going to give this to you guys as a thank you for coming and joining in on this hop. Tell your friends, all the subscribers, tell them to come over here and subscribe, hit the button, watch each video, like each video. The more the merrier. Have fun, guys. Enjoy the rest of the hop. Okay, amazing crafters out there. Have fun with it, and I'll see you on the 6th. Bye now.